If you clicked on this video because you're struggling growing your hair, or you want to grow your hair faster, or your hair is damaged and you're looking for ways to repair your damaged hair, then this simple DIY hair growth recipe is for you. Hair growth shouldn't be complicated. You just need to find the right product, the right natural ingredients that works with your hair, and follow a very good hair care routine. In today's video, I'm going to show you a very simple DIY recipe using one natural ingredient. This has been part of my hair growth journey. This is one of my favorite DIY hair growth recipes, not only because it actually works, but also it is super affordable and easy to find regardless of where you find yourself in the world. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're one of my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, giving them thumbs ups and sharing them. We hit over 100,000 subscribers and it's all because of your support. Thank you for all the support. I truly appreciate you. And if you're stopping by for the first time, do not forget to join this family. You're going to really enjoy it here. Let's get straight into the recipe. So when it comes to rosemary, you can find the dry rosemary and also the fresh ones in the stores. Any grocery store carry rosemary. And yes, it's the same rosemary that we use in our meals. You can choose to use the dry rosemary herbs or the fresh ones. In today's video, I'm using the dry rosemary herbs. What I did was I measured about a tablespoon of rosemary herbs. I then put it into my mason jar. Then I'm going to add the hot water that we boiled at the beginning of the video to this mason jar. I'm just going to top it up, guys. When it comes to natural ingredients, there is no specific measurement to these DIY recipes. This is just DIYs, okay? So too much or too less is not going to harm your hair in any way. And it also depends on the quantity you are trying to prepare. If you have a bigger mason jar, you can use about 2 tablespoons or 3 tablespoons of rosemary herbs and just top it up with some water. This is one of the easiest DIY recipes that actually works for hair growth. People have been using rosemary and have had amazing results out of it. Others haven't seen any results yet. In this video, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks that can help rosemary work faster for your hair. I'm also going to show you the best way to use it in order to get all the benefits out of it. Make sure you're not skipping any part of this video. You are watching to the end so you do not miss any important information. So what I did was I set my mason jar aside, gave it some couple of hours for all the infusion process to go on. And hey you all, if you're still watching this video to this point and you haven't shown your girl some love, what are you waiting for? Please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. Thank you for doing all that. Alright guys, so this is number one tip I'm going to share with you when it comes to rosemary. Whenever you prepare your rosemary hairspray, make sure you leave some of the rosemary in the water. I'm telling you, I have tried it both ways and this one is super effective. Leave some of the rosemary herbs in the water so that while the water sits, it will still be doing the extraction of the nutrients you need for your hair growth. Also, remember to add olive oil to your DIY recipe. Remember, this is just water based. You need some kind of oil for it to stay in your hair much longer. And you don't have to use olive oil. You can use avocado oil, coconut oil, grapeseed oil, any plant based oil that works with your hair. You don't need much. This quantity, I just added about a tablespoon of olive oil. And sometimes I don't even add it until I'm ready to use it on my hair. I also love to add essential oils to my DIY recipes. These little stuff is going to add up to the benefits of the rosemary. If you do not have them, you don't have to worry about it. Just use your rosemary water and be consistent with the use. You will come back and thank me later. I had some rosemary essential oil, so I decided to add a few drops of my rosemary essential oil to my recipe. So for this quantity, I added about 5 to 6 drops of my rosemary essential oil. You can use any essential oil of your choice, tea tree essential oil, peppermint essential oil, just to mention a few. I also love to add castor oil to my hair growth recipes. Castor oil is a very thicker oil. It helps condition your hair. Just reading on the bottle, it tells you this oil is a kind of a conditioner. It conditions your hair, and because rosemary hairspray is just water-based, adding this thick oil to it will help you stay in your hair much longer, condition your hair to prevent hair breakage. Rosemary can help prevent dandruff. It is going to stimulate blood flow to your scalp and help you grow your hair much faster. It is going to stop hair breakage, hair fall, and hair thinning. You just need to be consistent with the use. Use this at least 5 times a week. Whenever your hair feels dry, spray it on your scalp, on your hair strands, and massage it in. Do not forget to follow with a hair conditioner so it stays in your hair much longer, and put your hair in a protective hairstyle. Leave any leftovers in the refrigerator and discard after 4 days, or freeze it so you can keep it longer. Let me hear from you in the comment section below if this is something you would love to try at home. Thank you for watching.